Well, I'm here with Naz Mohammed on the Nidec stand. And Naz, you're going to show us around. But first of all, what do Nidec do?
Nidec are world #1 manufacturers of motors. So in summary, we can do any motor on the planet and for any application which can spin and move.
Wow, that's a pretty broad claim. So you can literally, if it's a motor, you can do it.
Yes, of course. I mean, it can be as small as which you can put on your finger, which goes on a small a laptop or industrial PC, to servers, to gaming devices, to automotive vehicles, to any motor from a few kilowatts up to we do up to 75 megawatt.
Fantastic. Now, I know you've got a demonstration that you'd like to show us at the back of the stand. So let's move through right now and we can take a closer look. So what are we looking at here, Naz?
Yeah, what we're looking at is here is a universal drive, one single range to cover a variety of applications within packaging and printing, which can satisfy all the packaging application needs. What I mean by that is a single drive platform with one single software. So from your small needs, maybe a simple conveyor, to a feeding line or a conveyor or a production making machine, one single drive communicating to any PLC manufacturer on their own specific platforms and providing a premier integration with the competitor PLC softwares. So what we are saying is it's a plug-and-play device, a drive with PLCs on board already. Even with our baby drives, 0.25 kilowatt have PLCs, very strong PLCs, ISU compliant PLCs on board. So they can do simple motion applications to complex motion control, but also interact and provide communication to computer PLCs. So in here, what we're saying is, on S7-1200 TIA portal, this particular drive is communicating on Profinet. This particular drive is communicating on Ethernet IP and communicating to Rockwell Compact Logics controller. This drive is communicating on Modbus TCP IP and communicating to a Schneider PLC. So they're all synced to run a production line. And they are communicating seamlessly with their own PLCs and also sending information to the other PLCs. So if we hit a production line, if there is a jam, for example, on a printing roller, we hit that. What that means is straight away there are communications on the other side to stop the production line. Okay. So what we are saying is critical open connectivity, universal drive, one single drive to communicate with any PLC manufacturer, and one single drive to cover all range of your applications in printing and packaging.
Total flexibility and total compatibility as well. So you're not tied in to any one type of product. With this, you've got that flexibility.
Of course, that's right. That's a critical bit. The open connectivity is the seller. The second thing is data. So taking that data and sending that either to the computed PLC or higher levels within the production ecosystem or even to the ERP systems. So what that means is the OEMs can analyze their data coming out of this to analyze their overall equipment efficiency of the machine, or the end users can take the data from a production line or a single machine to make those key decisions to reduce costs, increase revenues, and increase throughput.
I can imagine this is a very popular thing with your customers and with your clients. And you are, as far as you know, the only people that are offering this.
Yes, at the moment, there are many manufacturers who could claim the PLCs and connectivity on board, but what we are offering on top of it is seamless integration with the competitor PLCs and also on a seamless connectivity without any complex code on simple Ethernet switches.
Excellent. Well, just before we go, how have you found PPMA show so far?
Fantastic. Yesterday we got about 50 leads, and in there were about 5 live projects. So that's great. It pays for our stand straight away on the first day. But yeah, a very, very a good atmosphere where we can engage and engage with people and yeah, make a win-win for both.
Absolutely. Well, fantastic stuff. It sounds like you're having a great show, and thank you so much for taking time out of your busy schedule to speak with us. Thank you.
Cheers, thank you.